Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you Mercedes G-Wagon, and as you can see, the marker light, the signal lamp. This is how the original light looks, and I'm going to upgrade this one to LED, and it's very easy and simple. This is the original. So now we're going to replace it with LED. Look at how bright, nice light. And we're going to put it back into the socket. We push it back in to get the screw. And that's it. That's how it's easy and simple to upgrade it. So this is the nighttime. This is how it looks. I'm going to turn the flashlights on. And look at how nice, bright light. As you can see, it's really bright. And if we look at on the other side, this is the original light. So I'm going to replace it. It's very easy and simple to change it. This one has a Phillips screw. You open it and you take this one out, and then you pull it, and this is the ball. You take it out. I'll share with you the right mod number, even though this one showing WY5W. I use many different LEDs from different companies, and none of these seems to work. Like even trying this one, they work nice, they very bright, and if we put the cover on, and as you can see, it's really nice. But the problem is, when we change this bulb, the dash panel shows error. I'm going to take this one out, and I'm going to replace with the right one. This is the right LED for this one. This one is also super bright, very bright. When you put this one on, there will be no error. After putting the LED, you put the cover back, put the wiring inside, and then one screw. Look at how bright and looking very nice, very elegant. So let me show you, after putting other LED, what error I'm seeing is. Right now there is no error. Flasher lights on, and if we look at on the screen right now, you are not seeing any error. You see this LED? As soon as I remove the bulb from here, you're going to see there is a lamp error, and that's the error you're going to see. Even though we remove the bulb and the error shows up. If I use any other LED, you will see the error. As soon as I plug in the bulb, there is no error. So that's how easy to upgrade your turn signal lamp to LED. If you like this video, like always, like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you, and have a good day. Bye-bye.